Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Spring is in the air. That means it's great weather, and after winter you see the flowers and the sunshine.
I love it.
And of course Easter. I love springtime. What about you?
Oh my gosh, after Easter comes the Lenten season. And Lent's 40 days this year runs from March 2nd to April 14th. And I really do love this time of year because this is where people for 40 days will give up something to maybe strengthen their self-discipline or deepen their spiritual practices. So Fly Tie, if you were considering doing Lent this year, what's something you would give up for 40 days?
Well, I'm giving up sweets. I already know. I do it every year, and I'm a sucker for some chocolate cake, cookies, and ice cream, so no sweets for me. What about you?
Sweets is so hard. I gotta keep my sweets in, but I'll say for me, definitely giving up TV for 40 days because I binge watched a few of my favorite shows and it got me suckered in, so I am gonna give up TV watching.
Oh, that's a good one, Jacinda. Well, a lot of people give up things, but this is the time of year that family comes together. And when family comes together, you know food is there. So for the people that's giving up something, hey, there's a lot of great options right here at Compare Foods. Let's go check them out.
Let's go shopping, come on.
Look around, Jacinda, there's so many options. I know many people are giving up like sugar and alcohol, even meat during this time of the year, but there's some great options right here at Compare Foods from all around the world.
Yeah, I mean, we're in the international aisle right now. There's so many different types of beans, there's pastas. Maybe you're giving up meat, but what about fish or seafood like lobster and shrimp? There's so many options out there. You could do fresh produce or even fruit. You know, you can still have a great time with food and family.
That's right, so when family comes together this spring, do all of your shopping right here at Compare Foods. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube to find out some great recipes, all the big savings, and of course, the special upcoming events right here at Compare Foods.
Nobody knows the neighborhood like Compare Foods. It's Fly Tie and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV.